Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure airplane mode is off and the laptop's Wi-Fi toggle or hardware switch is open. Once done, restart both router and laptop to clear transient faults. This often restores DHCP leases and resolves routing glitches. Check whether other devices also fail. If they do, the issue is the network, not the laptop. Next, open the network icon to confirm SSID, signal strength, and any explicit error messages so you know what to target next. You now focus on the wireless adapter and software stack. Open Device Manager to update the driver. If problems started after an update, roll back or uninstall, then reinstall the driver to restore a known good state. Once done, run the built-in network troubleshooter to auto-detect issues. If needed, reset the adapter or run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset to clear corrupt sockets and IP tables. Also verify IP configuration. Make sure DHCP is active or assign a correct static IP and DNS so traffic can route properly. Finish by validating connectivity. Ping the router IP, then a public DNS like 8.8.8.8 and open a web page to confirm DNS resolution. Reboot after each significant change to ensure new settings apply. If signal remains weak, change the router channel or move closer to reduce interference. This improves link quality and throughput. If problems persist, try a USB Wi-Fi dongle or tether via phone to determine whether the laptop's radio is faulty. If the dongle works, replace or repair the internal adapter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.